session of Curriculum Studies in Chemistry, ESE 216. This is Unit 3, Models of Curriculum Development. In this unit, we shall discuss models of curriculum development, with particular reference to the models of Tyler, Taba, Wheeler, Kerr, and Skilbeck. I am your course facilitator, Nihad Goni. This is Session 1. In this session, we are going to look at what a curriculum development model is and the characteristics of a good curriculum development model. Stay tuned. By the end of this session, you should be able to 1. Define curriculum development model. 2. State the characteristics of a good curriculum development model. And 3. Distinguish between descriptive and prescriptive curriculum development models. What do we mean by a curriculum development model? According to Oliver, a curriculum development model may be a tried or untried scheme. It may be a proposed solution to a piece of a problem, or it could be an attempt at a solution to a specific problem. According to him, curriculum development models may be simple or very complex, but no matter how complex the model is, it must be easy to explain and to follow in practice. Many curriculum development models bear so many resemblances to each other, normally because newer models tend to be refinements of already existing ones. Very often, too, models tend to be prescriptive in the sense that they suggest guidelines to be followed in developing a curriculum based on the conceptualizations of the model builders. So when we say prescriptive, it means suggesting guidelines to be followed to develop a curriculum based on the model builder's conceptualization. Other times too, the development model could be descriptive. In this sense, it means the model is based on actual practice. It is describing actual practice, but not giving rules to be followed in prescriptive sense. Every good curriculum development model should have some characteristics that we should look out for. The following are some of them. First, it should be based on an analysis of things that actually exist. So a model of curriculum organization should be based on a study of the real institutions, of already existing issues. It should be adaptable. It means that it should be applicable to many institutions, but not just one. Also, it should be easily generalizable. That means that we can generalize the model in terms of the geographical area, in terms of different institutions. It can fit into the general body. Fourthly, it should be comprehensible. That means it must communicate what it stands for to all who need to know. And then 5, even though it might be a model for an existing organization, it should be able to provoke thought and also speculation and on how the organization could be changed. It could be a way or a scheme for an organization, but then it shouldn't only just be how the institution runs. It should be able to prick people's mind to cause changes that will be better for the organization that has adapted that model. It should serve as a useful tool in curriculum development. There are a number of curriculum development models that have been built. Let's look at some examples of them. We have the Tyler's model, the Tavers model, Wheeler's model, Kerr's model, and Skilbeck's model. Let us assess ourselves with these questions. 1. Define the curriculum development model. 2. State the 4 characteristic features of a good curriculum development model. 3. Distinguish between descriptive and prescriptive curriculum development models. We have come to the end of this session. In this session, we were introduced to curriculum development models as maybe a tried or untried scheme, that they could also be prescriptive by giving guidelines to follow for curriculum development, or it could be descriptive, describing actual practice. We also looked at some of the characteristics of a good development model, that it should be comprehensible, generalizable, it would also be adaptable, and it should be analysis of the actual organization, among others. We finally looked at some of the examples of curriculum development models available, like the Tyler, the Taba, Wheeler, among others. I hope you learned a lot and you enjoyed this session. And I also believe we were able to solve the questions for the self-assessment. If not, kindly go back to the video and watch again. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next session. Bye.